Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pair or sync a Harbor Breeze ceiling fan remote and explain why your remote may have stopped working in the first place. Harbor Breeze remotes work by pairing with a receiver installed inside the fan. This pairing creates a private signal so only your remote controls your fan. Most pairing problems happen because of battery issues, power interruptions, or mismatched settings. Start by replacing the remote batteries with fresh ones. This alone fixes many issues. Next, turn off the fan's power at the wall switch or circuit breaker, wait about 20 seconds, and turn the power back on to reset the receiver. For older Harbor Breeze fans, pairing uses small DIP switches. Open the remote and locate the switches, then match their positions exactly with the switches on the receiver inside the fan canopy. Both sides must match for the remote to work. For newer models, look for a Learn or Sync button on the remote or receiver. Within 30 seconds of restoring power, press and hold this button until you see a light blink or hear a beep, confirming pairing. If standard pairing fails, try holding the off button for 5 seconds after restoring power, or press and hold the high and low speed buttons together for 5 seconds. Once paired, test fan speed, light control, and reverse mode. If nothing works, the receiver may be faulty and need replacement.